Hey guys, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I want to show you some things that I have been making. Well, just one of those things because, I'm going to make different videos. But you guys know that I have been working on a fairy journal. So to go with my fairy journals, I have been making fairies. Look. Oh, you guys, I've been having so much fun. So I put some hair on the fairies, of course. I had this wings from Dollar Tree, which I think you all have. And I use this for the fairies, and I have, some tools. So I grabbed some colorful shades of tulle that I had and made some fairies. And I didn't, like, one of them has a face, but I think I'm gonna leave them without a face because I don't know what you guys think. I did make some arms for them. I used some beads, and I don't know if you remember, I got this it's like a twine or a thread that I got from Temu, which I had ordered thinking that it was thinner. But look, I ended up using it in the fairies. So I was looking through my stash. I didn't buy anything. I had those. This is a wooden bead that I had in my stash. I had quite a few actually in this size, and I have some bigger ones. And I just wasn't using them, so I saw them there and I decided to make some fairies. So that's one of them. This is another one. Let me put this to the side. I'll put it there. This is another one. They all have the same head and they all have tulle. This one has some pink tulle, has a flower at the top here. It has that necklace. It has the arms with the pink beads this time, and this, she has long hair. And for her, I doubled up on the wings, but on the other ones I didn't because I didn't have too many big ones, so I wanted to be able to use them. And I put some more flowers in the bag here. This is like an eyelash trim yarn that I had gotten from Dollar Tree a long time ago. You guys probably have that also at home. And I really like the way this one came out. I love the combination of like the mint and the pink, and I think it's so pretty. So what I think is that when I finish the fairy journal, I'm probably gonna put it on Etsy. And I'm gonna, whoever buys the journal, I'm gonna send like the fairies with the journal. So I have different colors. I have this one. This is a ribbon, you guys, that I made it curly and put another flower here. These are Prima flowers, as well as those pink ones over there. This is the same kind of wings from Dollar Tree. Again, the wooden bead for the face, another heart here for a necklace, and her arms with the bead. And this is an orangey tulle, so that's why I put some orangey, almost like a neon orange hair, and it's to the side, I think it came out super cute. I do feel like I want to add some stickles to the wings and make it even more precious, and more special and more magical. So I might end up doing that. And this is just the back. And yeah, I think they look super cute. So like, you can like pretend play with the fairies and the book. I don't know. I think it could be fun. Another one with the same colors. This one has a smaller dress than this one. This is longer. And I just love them. They're just so whimsical and so cute, I think. I don't know what you guys think. I hope you guys like them. It was so much fun putting them together. And I have like a couple that are not finished because I wanted to like put a different color hair. I want to do like a different pink. So this one is another one. This is more like in purple. Again, the same kind of wings that I had from like Dollar Tree. This is another tulle that I have that is like pink and purple. Another heart over there, the wooden bead. The hair is what took me the longest because you have to like glue one by one. So it's like a long time. Yeah, and I put that flower. It's actually two flowers. It's the one, the biggest one, and this one on the top. Again, it has the beads for the hands and the hair. I just gave her like a ponytail just to hold it for now. But then I'm gonna remove this afterwards. And her hair is so long. And this was made from like a twine that I separated. So it's like it took me a long time to do the hair, especially this one, the other one that I'm gonna show you as well. So the one that is coming next is the only one that I put a face on it. And I don't know, so we'll see. So this one has some purple flowers on her hair to like go also with her dress. She has the same kind of hands, the same necklace there with the beautiful heart. And this is the face, and I did it with like a pencil only. And it's kind of cute, but I don't know. I think I like them without the face, but I don't know, you guys. I don't know. It's kind of cute also like that, you know, but I don't know. What do you guys think? This is the other one. This is, you know, her hair also is super long and it's the same kind. It's the same kind as this one. It's the same like cotton yarn that I have, like a twine that I separated. And it's just beautiful, I think. I just love it. You guys, those are my fairies. And I have two that are not finished that I have to put the hair on, like this one. See, it's just a bead. And it has the dress and the big wings. And this one here. But this one's, I'm gonna put, I think, pink hair on both of them. This one has a big, big dress here. And I just love them. I love to be able to use like the things that I have in my stash and not having to go and, you know, buy stuff to make this project. And it's just beautiful. I think they're coming out super cute. Another day I'm gonna show you in another video probably some little angels that I made years ago, you guys. And that's what actually gave me the idea to make these fairies, because I had made those little angels like 20 years ago and I found them in a box. And I'm like, oh, you know, I should, you know, maybe make more angels. And then I was like, oh, I should make fairies for the fairy journal. So, you know, whoever buys the journal, I'm gonna send like one of each color fairies. I mean, you can probably, you know, choose the ones you like. And yeah, you guys, so it's so much fun. I think I'm so excited. And I hope you guys like it. They're so easy to make. You know, just use the yarn or the thread that you want to put for the hair. On the body, you can create with anything. And just the wings, you know, this is what I had, so that's why I used that. But if not, you know, you could just fussy cut some wings or, you know, do whatever you want. So you guys, I hope you get inspired. This is so much fun. I think they are super cute and I hope you guys like them. Love this one with the gold flower. Let me know which one you liked and what you think. Should I just forget about the faces or put faces on all of them, or just wait? I don't know. I didn't know, but yeah, so cute. Okay, you guys, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.